Can glutathione cure a hangover? When we wake up in the morning with a pounding headache and turning stomach, we're filled with nothing but regret for having a few too many the previous night. But the thing is, we can't go back and stop ourselves. Sometimes we just get carried away, and it's okay. It happens to the best of us. But now that you're awake with a hangover, how do you fix it? There are a few tips to help a hangover. Drink fluids to restore hydration, take B vitamins or zinc, make coffee or tea, get some carbs in you, get some protein and fat, or go back to bed, or maybe some Tylenol. There are also things that you can do while you're drinking in order to lower risk of the hangover. Drink a glass of water between drinks, avoid darker drinks, sugary drinks, make sure you eat good quality food, and drink less and drink slower. One piece of advice floating around is there regarding a hangover fix has to do with an antioxidant called glutathione. So is it true? I wanted to dive in and answer that question. Does glutathione help a hangover? So first we need to discover how alcohol affects the body. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it makes you urinate more and lose water at a faster rate. In fact, for every glass of wine you drink, 120 milliliters of water is lost. That's why it's important to increase water intake when consuming alcohol. Additionally, alcohol contributes to inflammation. When the liver breaks down alcohol, it produces a byproduct called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde breaks down to form free radicals, which cause damage throughout the body, known as oxidative stress, which also cause cellular inflammation, leaving you feeling tired, stiff, and generally unwell. On top of these two things, alcohol disrupts the sleep cycle by blocking the REM stage of your sleep. This is why you may still feel tired after drinking, even if you slept for much longer than usual. So, how does glutathione help you with your hangover? Glutathione isn't necessarily going to help your hydration levels, but it could help with the other two main hangover causes. Glutathione levels may have a link with sleep quality. This idea is being looked at following a study that found that those with insomnia had significantly lower levels of glutathione than those who were not experiencing any sleep issues. But research is better established in relation to glutathione and oxidative stress. As I just mentioned, free radicals are created when the body breaks down alcohol, which increases oxidative stress. Glutathione, the master antioxidant, is great at neutralizing these free radicals and reducing the damage they're able to cause. Additionally, alcohol intake depletes glutathione levels. So not only do you now have an increase in free radicals, you have a decrease in the body's most powerful antioxidant. It needs time to make more, but if you're hungover, you need it sooner rather than later. But will supplementing work fast enough? Unfortunately, there have yet to be any open studies looking at glutathione's effects on hangovers. However, one study gave rats NAC, a precursor of glutathione production in the body, and found that the newly created glutathione offered a decrease in overall oxidative stress following alcohol intake. That's good news. So taking glutathione when hungover may help your body regenerate the lost antioxidant much faster and eliminate the free radicals created from the alcohol. But there may be a better way. Why let glutathione get depleted in the first place? If a night out drinking drains your much needed glutathione, it stands to reason you should get prepared. If you're already maintaining your glutathione levels, making sure you have enough time to get a good night's sleep and staying hydrated while you drink, you may be able to drastically reduce the impact of your hangovers. Glutathione naturally decreases as we age, and researchers have linked low glutathione with a very wide range of health issues. It makes sense because of free radicals at the cell level, and all our health begins at the cells. But maintaining your glutathione levels could also have a positive impact on many facets of your life and overall health and immunity. So I want you to discover how glutathione can flush stubborn fat from your body. And all you gotta do is click the link below and it'll take you to a page where it'll explain more detail on how glutathione can help you lose weight. Thanks for watching.